So do you have a French door and there's a weird spring sticking out of the top and it doesn't close right now and it's missing a ball out of it? If you do, I can show you how to fix it really easily. So when your house is being put together and somebody went out and bought your doors, the spring and ball that's at the top, it's kind of a budget cost. It's kind of a basic system. They tend to fail a lot. The ball tends to come out. If you still happen to have the ball that goes in there, there's actually a different video that you can watch that'll show you how to put the ball back in. Now, if you've lost the ball, which I've lost, you actually need to buy a whole new ball catch. And that's what I did. Ran out to the hardware store, bought a new ball catch. It's about $6.79, rough and tough, about $7. And this will fix your problem. Not just that, these ball catches are a lot better quality. They're worth the money. And I've actually replaced one of these already. And it doesn't have, I've never had the problem with it ever since. The tools you're going to need is, number one, a cordless drill with a Phillips head bit. You could use a screwdriver, it just takes a lot more patience. I prefer to use a cordless drill. Now be sure that your cordless drill does have a torque adjuster on it. You don't want to torque it all the way to drill because you're just going to chew up your door. It's going to be a piece of junk afterwards. You want to have a torque adjuster and you want to set it to a low setting. You will need a flathead screwdriver to pry out the old ball mechanism and a pair of needle nose pliers to help pull it out once it comes out. And that's pretty much it. So here we are on top of the door. This poor spring, look at this thing. I've actually had to replace the ball a couple times where I'll put the ball back in. Every time my kids go nuts trying to slam the door shut. And it's just bent to all heck. Poor guy. So we're going to go ahead and pull out this old housing that's in here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver and I'm simply going to pry it out. I'm just going to put it underneath, work it up like this. The needle nose pliers, I got her to help pull this out. Now, I could just probably pull it by hand, but you may need to use needle nose. So that's the old mechanism. We're going to pull that out and there's a big old hole in the door right here. With this insert, I'm going to leave the insert in there. But anyways, we're ready to put the new piece in. So the replacement ball catch comes already assembled, like this. Now this one's going to screw in. The one that I had before just kind of slid in there. It's not going to be a problem though, because it comes with the screws that you need. Simply just going to take it, and drop it in like that. Then we're going to put our 2 screws in to hold it in place. During this step, there's nothing really magical about it. You just take a screw, you're going to seat it, like this. Now I'm not going to go all the way tight yet, because I want to make sure that I align both screws first. Now we can go tight. The kit that I bought comes with another strike plate. It actually goes right here. The strike plate that I actually have, it's funny, has like a little groove dug into it from the previous ball. You technically don't need to replace it. Now, fortunately for me, these are the exact same color. So I can go ahead and I'm going to pop that in right now. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to replace that if you've got an extra one. Now, since I paid money for mine, I want to make sure I get my money's worth out of this. So here's the new one. There we go. Nice and brand new. And just like that, you're done. Now it closes nice and smooth. Look at that. Good luck and leave a comment letting us know how it worked out.